90% of you said Greeks speak fast. And you know what? You are right, but also completely wrong. The problem is not their speed. It's something happening inside your brain. And once you understand it, you'll never struggle again. Today, I'm going to show you 5 tricks based on how your brain actually deals with the language. No tips from a textbook, real neuroscience. Let's get started.
Do you speak Greek?
Research shows that Greek has one of the highest syllable rates in Europe. But here's the thing, native speakers of any language sound fast to learners. A French person thinks Italians are fast. Italians believe Spanish people are fast. It's not the speed, it's the gap between what your brains expect and what it hears. When you don't know a language well, your brain can't predict what's coming next. So every word hits you like a surprise, and surprises feel fast. The good news, your brain can learn to predict. And that changes everything. My name is Alexandra, and today I'm going to train your brain to understand real Greek. Stop listening for words. Start listening for meaning. When Greeks talk, they don't stop between words. It sounds like a long river of sound. Τι κάνεις, πώς είσαι, all together. Your brain is trying to cut this river into small pieces. That's exhausting, and you will always be 1 second behind. Instead, listen for the emotion and the situation. Is this person excited? Asking something? Complaining? Context gives your brain a shortcut, and suddenly you catch more. This is exactly what Krassen's theory showed. Comprehension comes from context, not from catching every single word. Your ear needs training separately from your brain. Most people study vocabulary and grammar, but they never train their ear to the sound of Greek. Greek has sounds that don't exist in English. The rhythm is different. The stress patterns are different. And here's the easiest way to fix that: Greek music. If this is your very first time coming in contact with Greek, don't start with grammar. Don't start with vocabulary lists. Start with music. I know what you're thinking because my students tell me this all the time. Alexandra, I don't listen to Greek music. And I get it, but here's what they tell me after they do this. It changes everything. Put on a Greek song, something that catches your ear. Don't try to translate, just listen. Let the sounds wash over you. Do that every day for a week and you will see something will change. It starts sounding less like noise and more like a pattern. I'm going to put some of my favorite Greek songs in the description below. Pick just one and listen to it every day for 1 week. Come again and let me know how that worked. Here's something nobody talks about, but every single of you have already experienced. The moment a Greek person starts speaking fast. Why does Greek feel fast? Something happens in your brain. You panic, and the moment you panic, you stop hearing. Your brain switches to survival mode. And there's actually a name for this in language science. It's called the affective filter. And it basically means this: stress blocks language processing. The more anxious you are, the less you understand. So, what do you do when you feel that panic coming? Just don't try to understand more. Understand less. I know that sounds wrong, but here's what I mean. Instead of trying to catch every single word, find one anchor. Find one word you recognize. one gesture, one facial expression. Lock onto that. Your brain calms down. And when your brain is calm, then your comprehension actually goes up. Here's something that helps. Greeks are incredibly expressive. Their hands, their face, their tone, all of that is information. So you don't have to catch every single word when someone's face tells you the whole story. So next time you will be in a conversation with a Greek person and you feel that panic rising, breathe. Find your anchor and trust your brain to do the rest. Here's the real reason why Greek feel fast, and it's not what you think. Actually, it's not the speed, it's the surprise. When you don't know a language well, every word that comes out of someone's mouth hits you like something unexpected. And your brain has to stop, process, catch up. And by the time it does, 3 more words have already passed. So the trick is simple. Stop being surprised. And here's how. I call it the prediction game. Next time you're watching a Greek video, listening to a podcast, or talking to a Greek person, before they finish the sentence, ask yourself, what word is coming next? What are they probably going to say? You will be wrong a lot at first, but that's the point. Every wrong prediction teaches your brain the patterns of Greek faster than any flashcard set, any vocabulary list, or any grammar rule ever could. Because your brain now is actively engaged. After 2 or 3 weeks of this, Greeks start to sound slower. Because your brain stops being surprised. You can practice this with anything, a Greek show, a podcast, and of course my videos. Here you will find a list with videos specifically designed for this. Comprehensible input at different levels, so your brain has always something to work with. Pause, predict, play. That's how the real fluency starts. Here's something most language teachers won't tell you. You don't have to understand everything to learn from it. Most people think, this is too hard for me. I'm not ready for this yet. And they go back to the easy stuff. But here's what's actually happening to your brain when you listen to something hard. It's still working. It's picking up the rhythm, the sounds, the patterns. Things you don't even realize you are absorbing. I believe in something I call expanding learning, and it simply means this. You are always capable of more than what you think. So yes, start with a song, start with a short video, but don't be afraid to throw yourself into a real Greek conversation podcast, even a Greek movie, even if you catch 20%, even if you catch nothing. The goal is not to be comfortable, the goal is to keep expanding. And trust me, your brain is smarter than you give it credit for. So, do Greeks speak fast? Yes, and they probably won't slow down because this is the way they speak. And that's okay. Greeks don't think in levels. When they hear someone speaking Greek, even a little, even badly, they don't think, oh, this is a beginner. They think this person speaks Greek and they get excited. They want to connect. So the goal was never to make them speak slower. The goal is for you to train your ear to meet them exactly where they are, at any level, with any accent, at full speed. Just like I'm doing right now, talking to you in a language that's not my own, with my Greek accent. And I hope you understand. But either way, we are communicating. And that's exactly the point. If this was useful, save this video because you will come back to it. And if you want more real Greek for your ear, subscribe. Because that's exactly what we do here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps. Αυτά, τα λέμε στο επόμενο βίντεο. Φιλάκια!